Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your subscription plan here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Checking your subscription plan on Squarespace is a straightforward process that is essential, especially when managing or scaling your website. Now, different plans offer different features like e-commerce capabilities, advanced design options for blogging, or maybe marketing tools. Of course, checking your plan ensures you are aware of what features you can utilize. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the settings here. If you click that, you would be forwarded to the dashboard. Okay? Click the three dots icon here, and this is going to be the section where you can check your Squarespace plan. Click on billing. What will happen is you would be forwarded here, depending on the subscription. You see that? Payment information, subscription, and of course, invoices. I want you to click on this subscription. Right now, I don't have any subscription. That means I am using the trial, and my trial subscriptions expires on October 9th, all right, 2024, as of this recording this video. If you click on this arrow right here, you see I have 11 days left to use my free trial, and I can upgrade now to ensure it stays alive. If I click on the subscribe now, what will happen is I would be forwarded to this specific section wherein I need to select a plan. Alright, simple plan, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. They have the personal, which comes from $16 per month, and you have like a free custom domain and have all these features and benefits. You have the business, which is the most popular for $23. The basic for e-commerce, which is $28 per month. And the commerce advanced, which is going to be $52 per month. All right. For example, if you wanted to select this one, what will happen is you would be forwarded here in this section and just confirm selection. All right. And then if by any chance you selected this specific billing, or this specific subscription, what will happen is if you go again to the plans, you would notice that it would automatically reflect here on this subscription, and that is going to be your Squarespace plan. Because if you're considering, say for example, features like custom code, advanced analytics, or selling products, checking your plan helps determine if an upgrade is necessary to access these tools. Knowing your current plan allows you to evaluate your site's operational costs and switch to a plan that better fits your budget. All right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.